Good morning. It's Mrs. Sane. Let's do a little bit of word work today, shall we? We have a whole new list of high frequency words, and I want to go over those with you, all right? So, our first word is best. B-E-S-T. Best. Let's use that into a sentence. The best flavor of ice cream is chocolate. Let's try our next word. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Does your dog have a ball? Does. End. E-N-D. End. I always hate the end of a movie because it's all over. End. Our next word is job. J-O-B. Job. My favorite job is making dinner for my family. Job. Our next word is left. L-E-F-T. Left. I have a right hand and a left hand. Left. Our next word is men. M-E-N. Men. The men mow the grass at the park. Men. More. M-O-R-E. More. I would like some more pizza, please. More. Now we have the word see. S-E-E. See. I can see a beautiful rainbow outside when it rains. See. Our next word is than. T-H-A-N. Than. I like puddles better than ponds. Than. Our last word for our high frequency word list this week is wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. I need to wash my car. Wash. Now, all of these words are in Monday's activities in the teacher-made copies of things that we sent you. If you will turn to page 15, it looks just like this. Here are the words that we just talked about. So you're going to use these words and you're going to write a word from this box in each of these sentences to complete that sentence so it makes sense. The blank have a pan. The blank have a pan. Which one of those words would you put in that sentence to make it complete? Would you say the best have a pan? Would you say the does have a pan? The end have a pan? The job have a pan? The left have a pan? The men have a pan. Oh, I think that fits. The men have a pan. you're going to finish the top, and you're going to look at the bottom where it says write 2 more sentences. Use at least 2 words from the box that you did not use. When you write a sentence, you're going to be writing a complete thought. Your sentence needs to start with a capital letter. It needs to end with proper punctuation, and you need to make sure that your sentence has a subject and it also has a predicate. That's what tells what the subject did to make it a complete thought. You're going to use 2 words out of your word box that you didn't use for 1 through 6. Now, let's clean this up a little bit while you pause and you do page 15. I'll see you in a second. And we're back. All right. Thank you for starting your work with your different high-frequency words. We're going to be using those and playing with those all week this week, so that was a good introduction. Right now, we are going to be thinking about sounds inside of words. Sounds that come at the beginning of a word, the sounds that you hear at the end of the word, and the sounds you hear in the middle of the word. All right, let's think about those sounds. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to listen and think, what's the first sound that you hear in that word? Ready? Hen. 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 Did you hear the H at the beginning of that word? Let's think of that ending sound. Hen. Hen. Did you hear the N at the end of our word? Let's listen very closely for the middle sound. That one's a little bit trickier. Are you ready? Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Did you hear a short E sound? I'm going to put this silly little smiley face on top of my E to show that this vowel E has a short E sound, the sound. Now, let's go to another word. Rug. Rug. What's that first sound that you hear? Rug. If you said the letter R, you are correct. Now, let's listen for the ending sound. Rug. Rug. I think I hear the letter G at the end of our word. Ooh, but now here's that tricky part. Isolating that middle sound. Let's try together. Rug. Rug. What vowel sound makes the sound? Rug. It's a U. Good job. Not only is it a U, it's a short U because U is a vowel. You have long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. Rug has a short vowel sound. So we're going to put that little smile on top of U. All right, let's do one more. Zip. Zip. What's that beginning sound that you hear in zip? You're right. It's the letter Z. All right, let's listen for the ending sound. Zip. Zip. Oh my word, you got it right again. It's a P. Okay, Here's the tricky part, isolating that middle vowel sound. Listen again. Zip, 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 What sound makes it eh? It's a short I sound. I'm going to put that smiley face on top of my vowel to show me that it is a short vowel sound. Eh. Good job, you guys. All right. All right, boys and girls, let's look at our vowels and review them. We talked about them last week. Remember, our vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. All the rest of the letters in the alphabet are called consonants. Vowels are really special because they have more than one sound. You can have a short vowel sound or you can have a long vowel sound. We are specifically looking at short vowel sounds right now. Last week, we looked at the short A sound and the short I sound. So that just leaves 3 more, and we're going to be looking at those vowels this week. The short E, eh, the short O, ah, and the short U, We have lots of words that are included in our spelling words and our word work words this week that have the short E, the short O, and the short U sounds. Let's go ahead and look at one. We are going to write the word fox. Now, we have a learning target that we had last week. This is going to be a continual target also for this week because I can read and spell words in a consonant, vowel, consonant spelling pattern. And the reason we're using this CVC while we study our short vowel sounds is because in a CVC spelling pattern, that middle vowel sound is a short vowel sound. That's why these things are connected. So let's look at the word fox. An F is a consonant. An O is a vowel, and an X is a consonant. So we have that consonant, vowel, consonants spelling pattern. And let's see if we can say our word and hear a short O in the middle of it. Fox. Fox. I can hear it. I sure can. What if I did something crazy? Crazy! What if I erased the F? What if I erased the F, guys? What word do we have left? Ox. We got rid of the F sound at the beginning, and all we have left is ox. Sometimes there's no beginning consonant in a syllable, and when there's only one vowel and it's followed by a consonant in that syllable, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. That ah for O is a short O vowel sound. Now, today, you have a word sort that you're going to do on page 16. Today, you are going to be looking at your spelling words that are on the right. Notice that all of your spelling words have a short E, a short O, or a short U. They also all have a CVC spelling pattern. I would like you to sort your new words into